Okay guys, we're going to talk about properties of logs. We can use the following properties of logarithms to expand and condense the logarithm expressions. So logarithms must have the same base in order to condense them. Okay? So just like in exponentials, you have to have the same base to do things. Same with here. Okay, power property. If you have a power, m to the n, you're going to take that and move it to the front of the log. So n times log base b of m. Product property. Just like in exponents, when you're multiplying, you you add. So same thing here, log base b m plus log base b n. So this is the condensed side. So this is condensed when they're smaller and together. And then this side is the expanded form. Okay, so quotient property, quotient's division, so m divided by n, we're going to subtract. Remember, if a log does not have a base, we consider the base to be 10. Okay, so let's go down here and look. So rewrite the following logs in condensed form. Notice it's long, so we're going to make, if you have more than one log, that means it's expanded. So we're going to change it to condensed. When you have condensed form, you end up with only one log. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move this 3 and make it the exponent when it's out in the front. So that's going to be 2 to the third plus log 5x. Okay, since it's adding, then I know I'm going to multiply these two together. So I'm going to get log 2 to the third times 5x. Notice now I only have one log. And so 2 to the third is 8. And then 5x. 8 times 5, our final answer would be log 40x. And you may be able to skip some of those steps and do it in your head, but that's how we do it step by step. Okay, ln, remember, is log-based e, but we can still use the same. So we're going to take this, move it as the exponent, so that would be ln x squared, same thing here, minus ln y to the fourth. Now this subtraction means I'm going to divide. So I get ln x squared divided by y to the fourth. Okay, so let's move here. We've got 3 different logs, all the same base of 10. So we're going to have log of u. We're going to move this plus log v to the third minus log of 3. Okay, just like order of operations, you work left to right. So same thing with this. So log base u plus, that's going to be multiplying. So that's going to become 1 log, and that's going to give me u v to the third minus log of 3. Okay, now we have this minus, so that's going to be dividing. So that takes care of, that pulls those logs. We're going to condense that to 1. u v to the third divided by 3. So that would be my final answer when I get down to 1 log. Okay, here we're going to distribute this 1/2 to both logs. So we would have 1/2 log base 2, 3 to the x plus 1/2 log base 2, 2 to the y. This becomes an exponent. And it's the exponent of the entire thing. Okay, so we're going to have log 2 to the 3. My 3 doesn't want to work there. 1/2 plus log 2 to the 2y to the 1/2. Now, if you remember from exponent rules, 1/2 means square root. Very good. Yay, you remembered. So that would be the square root of 3x plus log 2 the square root of 2y. Okay, the plus means I'm going to multiply. So they both have a square root. 3 times 2 is 6xy. And if you could simplify the 6, we would, but we can't. All right, so that's going from expanded to condensed. Now we're going to go from condensed to expanded. Okay, so first of all, we're multiplying here. So this would be log base 5x plus, because when you multiply, we're add log base 5 y to the 4th. Okay, so that took care of the multiplying. Now we need to take care of this exponent. So you can't have any multiplying and dividing or exponents in your final answer for it to be an expanded. So we're going to leave this first one alone. This 4 is going to go to the front of the log. And now we're going to ask ourselves, no multiplying, no dividing, no exponents. Check. It's totally expanded. All right, so here we have multiplying, exponent, dividing. Okay, so we're going to start by breaking up the division. So x to the 3rd minus log 6 to the y. Okay, so now we need to fix the multiplying. Expand that. Okay, that's going to be plus. And then we leave this alone because we haven't done anything with it. Okay, so we look, this one's good. Oh, we got an exponent, so it's got to go to the front. And so that 3 comes out to the front. And there we have it. No exponents, no multiply, no divided, and it's expanded. Okay, so let's look at this one. We have ln x to the y to the 3rd. So the thing that's happening last is the power. So we're going to move it first this time because we have to change that. So we're going to have 3 ln x to the y over y. And then we have to take care of the dividing. So that's going to give me a subtraction. And now we're done. So you can leave it totally like that and you're all good to go. All right, here we have square root, dividing, and a cube. So the first thing we're going to do is take care of this dividing. So, and I'm also going to do, what is the square root? It's a 1/2 power. So then that's going to be log of 2y to the 3rd. Okay, so we have a power, so it's going to come out to the front. And another power, so it comes out to the front. And we are good to go. So look at this, practice. You're going to have some practice on this later. So ask questions if you have questions. And just remember, these properties are similar to the properties that you see in exponential. Have a great day.